Okay, so today we're here with.
Hello, my name is JB Estrella and I am a BSBA Marketing Management.
So you're graduating with what award po?
Magna cum laude po.
Wow, magna cum laude. So how does it feel na you're graduating as a magna cum laude?
At first po, syempre, na-overwhelm po ako since hindi ko talaga siya expected na ma-achieve ko po yung ganun po na award sa college journey ko po.
Is receiving that award was your biggest plot twist or is there something else?
There is something else po. Since, I am a 5 years na po sa NBC and I think my biggest plot twist po is yung nakuha ako as a scholarship po no grade 12 po ako since ayun po kakatapos lang ng pandemic and then naghahanap po talaga kami ng school na papasukan and then ayun po binigyan po ako ng opportunity ng NBC na mag-aral po or makapag-aral po ng college.
Okay, so I know as well po that you're an active student leader, ano?
Yes.
So how does it how do you juggle being a student leader as an academic achiever po at the same time?
Okay. So since and I'm a competitive kind of person po, iniisip ko po yung mga challenges as a experience na rin po since ayun po, kapag nagpatong-patong na yung mga projects, activities sa school, instead na susuko ka or mawawalan ka ng pag-asa na magawa lahat yun, ginagawa ko siya parang binuboost ko po yung self ko na okay, gagawin ko to, pinili ko to, and dapat kong gawin to.
Yan. So, before we end po, Kuya, I wanted to complete this sentence. Being an ambition means?
Being an ambition, being a competitive person.
And do you have any message po to our school and to other ambitions?
And so, hello guys, mga future marketistas po natin dyan. Message ko lang po na galingan nyo sa mga how to market or basta may experience nyo yan dito sa NBC and then syempre focus on yourselves, huwag papabayaan yung sarili and that's all po. And hello, bye-bye.
Thank you so much po. Okay, so today we're here with...
Hello,